Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. Today I will show you how to make a simple and easy fish curry. I have used pomfret fish, but you can use any fish of your choice. You can even call it as a tomato fish curry. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing so that I can bring more new recipes for you. So let's start cooking. I have taken 820 grams of pomfret, cleaned and washed. To it, I added half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of red chili powder. Then I squeezed about 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. If you want to get rid of that fishy smell, then add little lemon juice while marinating. I have learnt this tip from my aunt and I feel it is a great tip. Mix everything and marinate it for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, I took a large onion and 2 large tomatoes and chopped them separately. Today I am using my handy dandy food processor in order to save time. I have also taken ginger and few cloves of garlic. I blended them in my blender and made a fine paste. The ingredient proportions are all given in the description box below, so please check out for that. I have taken 4 medium-sized potatoes and cut them into long pieces. Always submerge potatoes in water like this after peeling and cutting them. This prevents them from getting brown. Now heat 3 tablespoons of oil on high heat. Once the oil gets heated up, lower the heat and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and immediately add the potatoes. Then increase the heat to high and fry the potatoes till they turn golden brown. This will take about 5 to 6 minutes. My potatoes have turned golden brown, so I took them all out. In that same pan, add another tablespoon of oil on high heat, and once the oil gets well heated, lower the heat and add the fish one by one. Remember to lower the heat to minimum while adding the fish as the oil splutters, and always add one by one. After adding all the fish, you can now increase the heat to high and cover it. Keep it covered for around 2 to 3 minutes on medium to high heat. Then uncover. Lower the heat at this point and turn the pieces. Then again keep them covered on medium to high heat for another 2 to 3 minutes so that it browns up on that side as well. Okay, so 2 to 3 minutes done. Now I will take out all the fish one by one. In this same oil, add the chopped onion. Stir it on medium heat till the onions turn bit brown. Then add the ginger garlic paste that you had blended earlier. Stir on medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes till they turn bit dry. Then comes the chopped tomatoes. Stir them as well on medium to high heat and cover it for 2 minutes so that the tomatoes get soft. Then uncover and stir again till the mixture turns bit dry. In the meantime, in a bowl, I took 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, or you can even use paprika. And if you want it more spicy, then you can use red chili powder instead. Add about 1/4 cup water to it and mix very well. Add this spice paste to the tomatoes and stir for 2 more minutes on medium heat so that the spices get well fried. Then add the fried potatoes and mix very well. Next add 2 teaspoons of salt and then add about 2 cups of water, and when the gravy comes up to a boil, cover it on low heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, give a stir and add the fish. Now though I am adding the fish over here with my hand, please use a spoon or a pair of tongs if you are a beginner. After adding the fish, do not mix with spoon, as in doing so the fish may break, so swirl the pan like this to mix. Then cover it on low heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn each piece very gently and again swirl the pan. Then I added about 5 whole green chilies. This is optional, but as they are whole, they will impart more of flavor than the heat. Cover on low heat for 5 more minutes. In the meantime, I chopped some fresh coriander leaves. After 5 minutes, sprinkle the chopped coriander leaves on top and keep it covered for another 2 minutes. You can have this with hot steamed rice. Just make a salad as a side and you do not have to make anything else. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video and please do not forget to subscribe. Write to me in the comment section with recipe ideas. So here you go, an easy yet delicious recipe for fish curry. Thanks for watching. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.